In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW. To begin, I'm going to come over here and select the rectangle tool and draw a single rectangle, and I'm going to hold down Ctrl and draw a square. Now I'm going to come over here and give my square a color, and I'm going to select my rectangle over here and give it a different color. Now, to create a custom keyboard shortcut, all you need to do is to come over here to Tools and come down to Options and select Customization, and come down to Commands over here and change this from General. Select the Keyboard Shortcut tab and search for the control you are looking for. What I'm looking for is the Weld control, and I'm going to select this. Now what the Weld does is that it combines objects or elements together. I'm going to give it a new shortcut key over here by writing W. I'm going to be assigning the letter W to this control and hit Assign, and I'm going to hit OK. Now if I should hold the pick tool over here and drag this square and place it above my rectangle and hold down Shift to highlight it with this rectangle, I can now hit the keyboard shortcut W, and automatically, as you can see, we've welded them together, which means that we've joined those two objects or elements together. And that's it, guys, on how to create custom keyboard shortcuts in CorelDRAW. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.